my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. So guess what we're doing today? I have a collab to play. So I am doing an awesome collab with none other than my beautiful bestie Bobby and Mr. Glitz. They're both so amazing to me. I love them to pieces. I talk to them all the time off of YouTube. We chit chat, we talk about makeup, like all the goodies. So before we get into this, I am going to be only doing one eye because if you could tell how swollen this one is, I have a sty, and unfortunately I was in the midst of moving, and the house that we are now in was very dusty and been sitting for a long time. And you know, well, somebody's got to do the dirty work. So of course I came in and did the dirty work, and as I was cleaning, I got, you know, dust particles and stuff in my eyes, so it became a sty. So I'm going to be doing some one-hit wonders this week while it recuperates, because I do not want to contaminate any of my makeup at all, trying to work around this eye and then get it this eye and then have to do this all over again. So we're just going to do this side right here, which makes it quicker too. So hey, win-win, right? So I will see y'all over in the video. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn that bell right there on. That way you get notified for any video upload, because your girl is back and better than ever. We are making some changes to this channel. We are moving and improving. I have a backdrop and stuff like that. That's all to come. So excuse the mess behind me. And yes, we're at a different angle. I'm trying to get close up so you actually see what I'm doing with this eye. And as you can tell, like, this one looks bad, like bad. So yeah, we're not going to mess with that one. I do have some hand sanitizer on hand, so like when I just touched my hand, my eye, I'm going to go ahead and disinfect my hands because I don't want to contaminate anything over here. I went ahead and did my brow. I touched up this brow just a little bit because it would look so bad. We are playing with our Lunar Beauty palettes. I have the Greek Goddess, which is absolutely gorgeous. I still don't have no idea what I'm doing. This is the Eclipse, one of the newer ones, or the newest one they released. And I think they just released some lashes. So yeah, I'm gonna check that out. We have Moon Spell, which is absolutely gorgeous. Then we'll dip into some of these, I'm pretty sure. And then Strawberry Dream. And I use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prime my eye. Excuse me, I'm still trying to get like used to this area. I haven't filmed in over a week, almost 2 weeks. Haven't put makeup on. Like, yeah, we got a lot going on. I do have my brushes ahead though. So let's go ahead and set everything down. I'm using the Glam Light Paint Palette brush. And I'm just going to set it down with a light pink, which is cloudy, and a strawberry palette. Very pretty. Neutral pink. I love this primer for your eyes. It helps your eyeshadow stay all day long. It is a little expensive for this itty bitty tube. It's 20 bucks. But I think it's well worth it because it does make your eyeshadow stick better, last longer, and I don't really like the sticky base. That's just my preference. I'm gonna go in with Page, which is this shade right here. Oh, she pretty. And I'm just gonna use that. Y'all, I'm probably a little like out of touch. We're doing this, being I haven't done it in so long. So please excuse me if it takes me a little bit longer. You know, makeup's kind of like riding a bicycle. You don't really lose your techniques, but you do forget some. At least I do. I'm going with this kind of brush right here. And I'm going to use Sabrina, that purple shade. Just to darken up. I like these kind of brushes to kind of pack on that punch. and when I want it in a smaller area, because I want to keep that pink better, like more. Let's try this brush. This is a Morphe. Yeah. There we go. Sorry if you hear background noise. Our house is still pretty empty, so a lot of things echo. And I do have a big family, as most of y'all know. It is 11 of us in here because my son moved out. So, you know, try to keep 10 people quiet. I bet you can't. Which I think what I will start doing is probably start filming in the daytime. Just because I am up a little bit more. And that way my kids are at school, the little ones. Luna Bear is usually still asleep. Mario is still asleep. Yeah, my mama watches the baby for me a lot. So with her just having to deal with the baby, it'll be easier on her. You know, so, oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And that way I'll have my videos done and I can start uploading and have them up and out a little earlier than usual, because I'm usually a night person and I usually load at night. Oh, that's really pretty. It ain't gonna look right to me just because I'm so used to doing my base first. And I'm not even doing my base today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do underneath my eye. I'm gonna go over this Nancy color, which is a blue, like a turquoise blue. And I will put it 3/4 of the way, just like that. And then I'll put a shimmer in that corner. Oh, that is really, really pretty. I like that combination. I think it's so pretty. And Prue is a gorgeous color. Let's see how she works out with the finger. And this is not going to be like my best work ever, just because I am trying to speed through. I know they're waiting on my video. I haven't had internet all week. I just got internet yesterday, and I'm so behind on some collabs that I wanted to do prior to moving, that I made prior agreements on, not realizing how much work and how many complications we were going to have all moving. So, yeah. And I like to keep my word, because you're only as worthy as your word. That's the way I see things. You know, that's just my personal opinion. Let's go over that purple a little bit more. There we go. That is so pretty. Alright, so as a shimmer, I kind of want to put something on top of that. Let me find a flat brush. Yeah, here my mom. She's tried. She is trying to be quiet. And let me just give y'all insight on my family. We are not a quiet family. We've always lived in the country. We always will live in the country, because you don't want to be our neighbor. We're constantly screaming. Just saying. Oh, that is so pretty. Alright, so now we need some lighter. I don't know what's going on right there. It probably would look a lot better if I had my whole face done. But it is what it is. Well, life gives you lemonade, right? Let's do this color right here. Oh. I've got like 4 mirrors open right here. But yeah, we've got loud mouths, so even whenever we try to be quiet, we can't be quiet. It's a family thing. So we're constantly screaming and yelling at people. Even without screaming and yelling. True story. Alright, so this is the one eye. Okay? Doing pretty good? And I'm putting on some Fenty mascara that we received in our BoxyCharm last month. This look will look bomb with some lashes. In a nude lip. Y'all see my beauty mark on my lip. I usually have my makeup done before because I could hide it. But it's okay. We're all different. We're all unique. It is all good. This is my Pat McGrath lipstick that I got from my Bobby. Beautiful, perfect nude. And then, like, once you're out and about, throw some gloss on that bad boy, and you be good to go. Ho. Let's see. So, this is one of a good go-to Valentine's look. You can't go wrong with purple and pink on Valentine's Day. Cliche as it may be. And then we just have one eye, being I ain't got a patch. Y'all let me know down below how you think I did. Yes, I did dip into 2 palettes. Sorry, but they are Lunar Beauty, so cheat, not cheat. I've got to get some use out of these because I had to go get all of them. And these are absolutely gorgeous. Like, Manny and Yang is exactly what they're doing. Exactly what he's doing when it comes to eyeshadows. I have not tried the lippies or the highlighter yet, but I do have a blush palette that I love. Like, it is my favorite blush palette. Look at this bad boy. Like, all you need is, like, combining them. Stunning. Stunning. And then you could actually go in and use a shimmer for a highlighter. It does not have to be a highlighter. You just go in with a fluffy brush. Tap, tap, tap. So let me know down below how I did, how you like it. What are your plans for B-Day? What are you planning on doing tomorrow? Are you going out? And unfortunately, hubby has to work, so we're not doing nothing. Which most things around here are closed down anyways that are like fun to do. Let me hide this out. I look crazy. So yeah. So we're not going to be doing much. He's going to be sleeping in. We did get up and do a lot of things today. He's been extra tired because we were just been trying to get everything set up in the house, and him work on top of it is hectic. Okay, so where I cut off in this video, I just want to say sorry, but I was rambling way too much, and I gotta get this video out. So I love y'all. I hope y'all subscribe. I promise y'all, my content is a lot better than this, but I'm just at crunch of time, and I'm trying to hurry up and get it out there so nobody's waiting on me. I love y'all, and I promise y'all we have great things coming to this channel. Promise! Make sure you subscribe to Glitz and Bobby. And I had a beautiful speech at the end, but it took so long. But I just want you to know I love you, Glitzy, and I'm so glad that you're back on YouTube. And I want y'all to go check him out because he is an awesome, awesome artist. He is a certified MUA, and he has a beautiful soul. And me and Bobby wanted to do something to help acknowledge him a lot more because he has been missing a little bit because of school and getting everything done. But yeah, he deserves all of it and so much more. So I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.